This is the FireTech Minibrow semi-recessed scene light. The FireTech Minibrow double stack semi-recessed fixture is designed to go on the side of a fire truck where you need a symmetrical optic, or you just like that look of the FireTech fixture that's a semi-recessed versus a surface mount fixture. Now, this is the same part as the FT-MB-2.15 that people are familiar with from our standard Minibrow double stack series. We've got it inside of a cast products recessed housing. That's where the name comes from, CPREC. So what's cool about this thing is it ships with a gasket, with the housing, with the light fixture, and everything you need to install it on your fire truck. You can configure it with spot, flood, or combination optics. Typically on a fire truck body, we recommend doing all flood optics, and on the cab, we recommend doing a combination of spot and flood. You can do them in white housings or black housings, and if you really want, you can even powder coat these aluminum housings on the back, but we ship these in a polished aluminum finish every time. For more information about the FireTech FT-MB-2.15 CPREC housing, reach out to a FireTech team member to schedule your demo.